Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add button in Squarespace. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just simply be in Squarespace application, click plus here, and then you just can go like to contacts or whatever, and click like headline here. And we're gonna see multiple headlines that you can choose, and you're gonna see, like, let's just click this one here. And what you want to do is just simply click on the button, center it to middle, and you can simply link it or label it with different text here. And yep, so this is pretty much it how you do it. Now how to change the colors and everything, that's like really simple. Click on a section, then you're gonna see colors here that you can change. And yeah, so this is pretty much it how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Probably some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, goodbye.